If you're a pool owner, you must check this out. I hated dealing with pool chemicals. It stinks, especially when it's hot out and everyone's partying in the pool and you have to check out your chemicals. This is a new unit I just got. I believe it's called Sense 2. This thing will either float around your pool or it has a whole different bunch of attachments to go into your skimmer. This has a little floating device that puts a cartridge in and it sends data to your cell phone within minutes that tells you multiple different testings, whether it's chlorine or the temperature or acid levels. You get it right on your app, as you can see here. It's really easy to read, and then it gives you suggestions and tips on what chemicals to add. You're going to customize your poolside. Check out this link. You could pick it up on Amazon, get it within a few days, right on your telephone. Really, really